I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When I really come alive.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, in today's video, guys, I'm going to make over my dining room, and I was inspired by my favourite TV show of all, Fixer Upper. I hope you enjoy. Guys, one of my favourite pastimes is watching episodes of Fixer Upper. I recently watched one where they made over a lady's house by the name of Patty Baker. Now, Patty had recently lost her husband to cancer, and Chip and Joanna Gaines went in and changed her entire home. I cried like a baby in this episode, guys, and I was so inspired by these beautiful designs that Joanna had came up with. Absolutely in awe of the beautiful dining room wall, guys, done in black shiplap. So I decided that I wanted to recreate the same thing in my dining room, but with a little bit of a twist and Chelle's touch. So me and the hubby went off to Bunnings, our local hardware store, and what I'm doing here, guys, is I'm picking out some brackets because I'm going to make a shelf at the top, just like Joanna did, as well as picking out the shiplap and some hooks that I'm going to hang on the wall. Now the hubby picked up some liquid nails as well as some small nails and black screws. Now, depending on the measurements of your room, I needed 2 sheets of the shiplap as well as 2 pieces of timber to create the shelf, but you may need more depending on the size of your wall. Now, after leaving Bunnings and taking everything home, we removed everything off camera off the wall. And what my hubby's doing here is starting first of all by adding the liquid nails to the back. We then added the first piece to the wall, and hubby's also going in with some small nails. Both pieces to the wall, he then went in with 2 coats of our favourite Dulux paint, which is called Gloss Vivid White. I absolutely love this colour, guys. It is so crisp and clean and goes perfect with my latte coloured walls. After painting the timber off camera, he then started to create the shelves and added the black brackets. Now we had a total of 8 black coat hooks, and hubby went in and put them underneath the shelf. All on, it was now time to decorate. I started with this adorable green wreath that is from Spotlight. added to the right hand side this beautiful black apron. End of the wall, I added a beautiful chopping board as well as another wreath. On the top of the shelf, I used items by shopping my own home. I love using books and clocks and using all different types of ideas. I love black frames at the moment, guys. I think they really popped on this white shelf. So I added some family photos as well. Around with lots of ideas here, guys. I added underneath the wall my beautiful tufted bench, and I styled it with a few cushions also from around my home. Table, I love to create different little vignettes, and I love using this tray, guys. Here I've just grouped together this beautiful bird and this beautiful blue and white vase, and I absolutely love this candle, guys, which is from 1825 Interiors, and the scent from this is absolutely divine. And of course, to add my pop of glam, I changed out my light fitting, guys, to a beautiful chandelier from Bunnings. And I absolutely love how my dining room has came. It was so inexpensive to do this, guys, and I love the statement piece that this feature wall makes. It's gonna be okay. We don't have to say the words now, 'cause we already know what we have, it makes it worth it. Then I need to go, don't cry, don't cry. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I do all different looks in my dining room. But guys, I just didn't feel like I got it right. Over the years, I've changed out many things, but I just had that vision and I wanted it to come together. And guys, this is it. Decorating doesn't happen overnight. Sometimes you have to change things out, move things around until it comes together. And this is exactly how I envisioned my dining room to be. And I'm so happy with it. Do you love to watch episodes of Fixer Upper as well? I absolutely love to spend my spare time watching old YouTube videos of the seasons that I had missed. I can watch an episode over and over again, guys, because I'm drawn to so much inspiration. Recommend you Google the episode of Paddy Baker. Guys, this was such a sad story. It showed how a lady who'd lost her husband was starting over again, and to be close to her children, she purchased an old bungalow that Chip and Joanna did up. And I was so in love with how they did this, but I was more in love with the fact that they made some happiness come back into her life. you get emotional like me, be sure to grab the tissues for that episode and be sure to be inspired by all the amazing decorating ideas that Joanna offers. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to decorating a shiplap wall in your dining room. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelle's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.